We're at Miss Chi Cafe in Culver City, and we're about to have the CoinCloud Dumpling Mafia NFT launch party.
The Dumpling Mafia came together with friends over, of course, a meal with Sichuan hot noodles and dumplings.
We just decided that we were going to start this lunch club, go all over the San Gabriel Valley, eat dim sum, eat wontons, eat bao. And it just became this thing where we started posting on Instagram, and all these people sort of wanted to FOMO into Dumpling Mafia, and they just wanted to know, how can I be part of this? What are these meals that you're having, and why am I not invited?
Andy had an idea of do a community-driven art NFT that if you own it, you're part of this group, you're part of this dining group, you're part of this restaurant community that needs the most help right now. And I said, this is a perfect way to intertwine my position at CoinCloud and the Dumpling Mafia.
This NFT really happened because of the pandemic, and we saw obviously that the restaurant business, which was already extremely tough for all the chefs and owners, had just gotten tougher.
And restaurant owners, we always have to think of different ways to create revenues and then what's going on in the world. And somehow all four of us coming together just decided that we should create an NFT, a chef-driven NFT.
My job at CoinCloud is to sort of figure out which digital assets are the most popular, what people actually want to trade, what people actually want to possess, and NFTs are the hot commodity right now. So we thought it was really perfect to partner with Andy and Shirley and make it easy and accessible for the consumer to get their foot in the door into this space.
So CoinCloud's role in this today is we make Ethereum, USDC, all sorts of different tokens easy to buy. Our kiosk is the easiest way to buy and sell things like Ethereum, USDC for cash. We have it in your wallet within a few minutes, and you can immediately jump on to OpenSea, link up your wallet, and start purchasing your favorite piece of art.
The thing about a restaurant is that a restaurant is four walls, but the thing about a chef like Shirley Chung is that she's much bigger than that. She ships her food nationwide, and it's a bestseller on Goldbelly. She's on Instagram, she's on TV, so why can't she be in the metaverse too?
This is a digital collectible that belongs to you, that sort of describes your person, similar to a profile picture or your hobbies or what you collect at home. NFT can be something that you think looks nice, but it also is your ticket, your entryway into a group of people that you enjoy to be around.
I've been working with this artist called Narrator. He's a street artist that used to work next door of my restaurant, Miss Chi Cafe, and he did a mural for Miss Chi Cafe hallway, and now we still have his work on the back of Miss Chi door.
My name is Daniel, but better known as Narrator, the street artist from LA. It was a pleasure to bring joy to every foodie that loves food and loves happy momentum, and that's what it brings. It brings a momentum of happy food and happy art to the world, basically.
Anything digital right now is being tokenized. So if you can hold on to something that is scarce, that creates value. CoinCloud makes it super easy to buy your Ethereum so you can purchase your NFTs. All you need is really a digital wallet and some cash. You walk up to a machine, you select Ethereum, and there you go. You have it. You connect to the marketplace and you buy your Dumpling Mafia NFTs.
Shirley's really famous for making cheeseburger dumplings, and a lot of people at this event haven't had them before. So I think they're gonna eat these dumplings, their mind's gonna be blown, and then they're gonna go look at the Dumpling Mafia Bosses collection and realize, oh, there's only 2 that have cheeseburgers, and we gotta buy this right now.
Out of all the Dumpling Mafia NFTs, I have to say I claim the pig dragon. So because I created this character, everything about him is just so cute. And then look at him, he's a dumpling loving. He can eat, he can make dumpling, he can critique dumplings, he can send dumpling, he can make up magical dumpling that mash them together to create his own dumpling, just like me. So that's why I'm the pig dragon. I'm the mama pig dragon.
I want to give a big thank you to the team that made this happen. Shirley Chung, of course, Andy Wang, Narrator, amazing art, and Grant from the CoinCloud team.